This is the fire station. I am police dispatcher Mew Mew. The fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Kiki, there's a flood in the city. Residents are trapped in the flood. Momo, I will set out for the rescue. You can wait ashore in case any help is needed. Let's prepare an emergency rescue boat first. Rescue boat is ready. Let's go! Drive the rescue boat to find the trapped residents. Slide to dodge these obstacles. Help! Someone's in the water. Help them out of the water quickly. Help! Someone on the car roof asked for help. Get over there quickly to help. Drag the trapped residents over to the rescue boat. Put on the life jacket. Safety first. Beads are relief supply. The flood starts to overflow. Let's reinforce the riverbank. Fill the bag with sand to make a sandbag. Pile up sandbags to prevent flood from coming ashore. Riverbank reinforcement is complete. The flood will no longer submerge riverbanks. Kiki, all residents trapped in the flood have been rescued and the flood has subsided. Rescue task is complete. Whoa!